Yo, how's it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to talking about ChatGPT, and in this video also I will be showing you how to use ChatGPT. So what is ChatGPT? A generative language model is described as ChatGPT. On the other hand, in real life it is understood to be a chatbot with artificial intelligence that has been programmed to carry on normal conversations. So in 2015, Sam Altman, Elon Musk and a bunch of other people founded the research firm OpenAI in San Francisco. ChatGPT is a product of this company. So how to use ChatGPT? The first step that you're going to make is to open your favorite browser, and then you're going to search for ChatGPT. Click on the first search result, or you can find the link of this website in the video descriptions. Is the official OpenAI website. So here you have all the information that you need for the ChatGPT, short description, and click on try. Then this window will pop up and you have to sign up if you don't have an account, or if you have one you can sign in. I already have one, so I'm going to continue with my email address, or you can continue with Google. It's more easy, and you can create your account and you have to enter your name and your last name. ChatGPT needs to know about you. Then click on continue, then you have to enter your phone number, then click on send code via SMS. Then you will have to enter the code that you got into your messages, and after entering your code you will be logged in. So here is ChatGPT, and to use it you have a little box here, and you will you can interact with ChatGPT. So we will ask him we want to know about Windows 12, and it comes with a response. So Windows 12 is not an official operating system released by Microsoft. So this is only one thing that ChatGPT can do. You can clear the conversation and you can start another conversation. Thank you so much for watching. Hope it helped. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a like so I can catch you on the next video. Peace out.